Ivory Coast, the world's leading cashew producer, is at the heart of a remarkable agricultural revolution. In 2024 alone, the country is expected to harvest nearly 1 million tons of cashews, accounting for about 20% of the global market. But behind those impressive numbers lies a fascinating journey from the lush orchards of West Africa to exquisite snacks around the world. So how are cashews grown, harvested, and processed to retain their fresh flavor? Find out in today's video. The journey of a cashew tree begins long before the seeds appear on the tree. It begins with careful soil preparation, as cashew trees thrive in well-drained, sandy loam soil with a pH of 5.5 to 7. Farmers select seeds directly from healthy mother trees or from commercial suppliers, ensuring they are free of pests, disease, or defects. When the seedlings are about 40 to 60 cm tall, they are ready to be transplanted into the orchard. This usually happens during the rainy season to take advantage of moist soil, which helps the roots develop. Spacing is essential for healthy cashew growth. Each tree is typically planted about 8 meters apart in both directions, allowing for adequate space and sunlight. Farmers dig, planting holes about 30 to 40 centimeters deep and wide, add a layer of compost, and gently place the young tree in before covering it with soil. As the trees grow, they need regular watering, especially during dry periods, along with effective drainage to prevent root rot. Pruning is an important maintenance activity, which involves removing dry or pest-infested branches and weeds, helping to ensure that the tree's nutrients are directed to vital areas and minimizing the risk of disease. Ivory Coast has nearly 1.4 million hectares dedicated to cashew cultivation. Here, cashew trees begin to flower from December to February, just after the dry season. The flowers, which are pale yellow or pinkish white, emit a delicate fragrance that attracts pollinators, an important step in the development of the cashew nut. Cashew trees begin to produce harvestable fruit after 3 to 4 years of planting and reach peak productivity after 8 to 12 years. The fruit is ready to be harvested when the shell turns from green to brown or red, a sign of ripeness. This timing is crucial because only fully ripe cashews will yield the best flavor and nutritional value. Harvesting is mainly done by hand, either by collecting the nuts that have fallen naturally or by using long poles to gently pluck the nuts from higher branches. Only the dry, brightly colored nuts, usually red or yellow, are selected to ensure optimum quality. This manual method reflects the care and precision involved in every step of the cashew production process. After harvesting, the nuts are sun-dried for 2 to 3 days depending on the weather and their initial moisture content. They are spread out on tarpaulins or cement floors to ensure even exposure to sunlight. This traditional drying method not only preserves the natural flavor of the cashews, but also reduces energy costs compared to industrial drying methods. After drying, cashews are transported to processing plants, where the journey becomes increasingly technological. First, the nuts are washed with purified water in high-powered cleaning systems to remove dirt and impurities. This is followed by a controlled roasting process that enhances flavor and crispness while reducing moisture. Roasting parameters, time and temperature are carefully adjusted to achieve specific flavors. Shelling is one of the most important and delicate steps. Modern shellers are equipped with rollers, blades, and pressure systems that can process 45 to 1,000 kilograms of cashews per hour. These machines use smart sensors to ensure precise shelling and minimize breakage, making them 5 to 10 times more efficient than manual methods. Once shelled, the cashews undergo rigorous quality control. Each cashew is inspected for size, color, and shape to ensure that only the best make it to the next stage. The final steps in the cashew production process include roasting or packaging the raw cashews. Roasting enhances the flavor of the cashews and removes any remaining impurities. After roasting, the cashews are vacuum packed to maintain their freshness and extend their shelf life. These bags of cashews are then placed in large bins for wholesale distribution or packaged into small retail packages. Cashews are incredibly versatile. In addition to being a popular snack, they can be made into products like cashew cheese or dishes like fresh cashew salad, crispy fried rice, nutritious cashew milk, and even cashew cookies. If you enjoyed learning about the fascinating journey of cashews, from their humble beginnings in the orchard to the delicious snacks we love, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of agriculture and food innovation. The colorful and charmingly small M&M candies have long become a familiar and beloved symbol around the world. Available in over 100 countries and producing hundreds of millions of pieces daily, M&Ms are not just a snack but also a cherished representation of sweet childhood memories. So how are M&Ms transformed from cacao beans on sustainable farms into the irresistible candies we all love and enjoy? What was the secret? Join us as we uncover the fascinating process in the video below. The origins of M&Ms date back to 1941 during World War II, when Forrest Mars Sr., the son of the founder of Mars Inc., envisioned a type of candy that could withstand harsh conditions. Inspired by the chocolate pellets used by British soldiers, Mars collaborated with Bruce Murray, the son of Hershey's chocolate president, to create a candy that was both durable and delicious. The result was the birth of M&Ms, named after Mars and Murray, which quickly became a global phenomenon. M&M's journey begins on sustainable cocoa farms in areas like Côte d'Ivoire and Indonesia. Here, farms ensure the production process is not only environmentally friendly, but also benefits the local community. Cocoa trees, the main source of raw materials for chocolate production, are grown from seedlings and meticulously cared for. Farmers can apply intercropping techniques to improve soil quality and maintain diverse ecosystems. So stop caring what other people are doing and focus on what you're doing and heal your soil forevermore. Over time, healthy cocoa trees will grow and produce potential cocoa fruit. Harvesting is a special art. Farmers carefully select fully ripe cacao pods and extract the precious seeds inside. Each cacao pod contains dozens of seeds encased in a sweet white pulp, which is often separated directly on the farm. These seeds are then fermented and sun-dried, a crucial step in developing the rich, distinctive flavor of chocolate. Mars Inc. has made significant investments in supporting these farmers, providing training and modern techniques to greatly increase yields and promote sustainable development within the community. When the cocoa beans are ready, they are transported to modern factories. Upon arrival, the beans are roasted to enhance their natural flavor. The air in the factory is filled with the aromatic scent of chocolate as the grains are ground and melted into a rich, smooth liquid. Throughout this process, advanced techniques and modern machinery are used to ensure the highest quality of each batch of chocolate. This process is strictly controlled at temperatures between 45 and 50 degrees Celsius, ensuring the chocolate retains its smooth texture and rich flavor. The chocolate is carefully melted and then poured into molds to form small pieces with a uniform size and a perfectly smooth shape. Once shaped, these delicate chocolate pieces are transferred to specialized cooling chambers, a process that ensures optimal and precise preparation for the next crucial step, creating the protective and durable sugar shell. Sugar coating is not only a protective layer, but also gives M&Ms their signature crunch and vibrant appearance. The chocolate balls are placed in large rotating drums where layers of liquid sugar are sprayed and dried repeatedly until the desired thickness is achieved. This step takes about 2 to 3 hours, ensuring a strong and even crust. Color coding is the step that creates vitality for M&Ms. Using state-of-the-art spraying machines, each candy is coated in eye-catching colors: red, yellow, blue, green, orange, and brown. These colors are not only attractive, but also meet strict FDA safety standards. Once coated, the candies are polished to a glossy surface, creating a perfect, irresistible look. Each candy is then printed with the signature letter M on the surface through a meticulous offset printing process. This ensures that each M&M, no matter the color, carries the brand's mark of quality. The final step is packaging. M&Ms are sorted and packed into various sizes, ranging from compact snack packs to larger family-sized bags. Each pack undergoes strict quality control checks to ensure that only the finest candies reach the hands of consumers. With millions of candies produced daily, the efficiency and precision of the packaging process are truly remarkable and reflect the high standards maintained throughout the entire production journey. Hope you enjoyed this insight into how M&Ms are made. From the farms to the factories, every detail is meticulously crafted to deliver the perfect candy experience. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. What surprised you most about this process? Which part do you find most interesting? Let us know, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to follow more exciting journeys about the world of cuisine, agriculture, and more. And guys, welcome back to our channel, where today we will explore the journey of harvesting some of the most popular crops: pumpkins, sunflower seeds, and zucchini. From the fields to the factory, we will take you through how modern technology, combined with traditional farming methods, helps produce these crops efficiently. Join us as we dive into the world of agriculture and see how these crops are cultivated and prepared for the market. Let's get started. Our journey begins in the kabocha squash fields, where the kabocha squash is ready for harvest. Kabocha squash is a signature crop in Japan, famous for its sweet flavor and high nutritional value. When kabocha squash reaches maturity, its skin turns a deep green with distinctive veins, and the stem dries up and becomes harder. In addition to manual harvesting, kabocha squash harvesting today is often assisted by modern machinery. These machines are equipped with specialized tools to cut the vines and gently lift the squash from the ground, significantly saving time and effort for the farmers. After harvesting, kabocha squash is transported to factories where they undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove dirt and impurities before being sorted. The qualified squash is carefully packaged and ready for export, bringing the unique taste of Japan to the world. Next, let's learn about how pumpkin seeds are created. Everything starts with the harvesting phase. Typically, pumpkin harvesting takes place in late summer or early fall when the pumpkins have grown to their optimal size and their skin turns a bright orange. This indicates that the pumpkins are ripe and ready for harvest. Today, an advanced machinery has been developed that allows pumpkin harvesting and seed separation to happen simultaneously right in the field, bringing remarkable improvements in agriculture. These machines automatically cut and collect pumpkins from the rows, then process them to easily separate the seeds from the skin and flesh. The seeds are automatically gathered and pre-cleaned on the machine, eliminating the need for additional manual processing. This continuous and rapid process helps reduce manual labor while significantly increasing production efficiency and harvest yield. As of this year, China is the largest exporter of pumpkin seeds in the world, accounting for around 70% of the global export volume, followed by India and Mexico. Pumpkin seeds are known for their numerous health benefits, including antioxidants like carotenoids and vitamin E. Additionally, the omega-3 fatty acids in pumpkin seeds support heart health, reduce cholesterol and blood pressure, while magnesium helps strengthen bones. Next, we will make our way to the vibrant sunflower fields, where another important harvest is soon to take place. Sunflowers with their tall stems and striking yellow blooms are not only beautiful but also serve as a significant source of sunflower seeds, widely used in snacks, cooking oils, and even animal food. As sunflowers reach the end of their growth cycle, the once bright flowers begin to wilt, signaling that the time for harvest has arrived. Sunflower seed harvesting relies on specialized machinery designed to efficiently handle these large plants. These machines cut down the plants and separate the seeds from the dried flowers. The seeds are then collected in large bins for further processing. This mechanization ensures that vast sunflower fields can be harvested quickly and with minimal labor. Once the seeds are harvested, they are cleaned and dried to remove any moisture, dirt, or debris. This is essential to prevent spoilage during storage. The seeds are then sent to processing plants where they are either roasted and packaged as snacks or pressed to extract sunflower oil, one of the most popular vegetable oils in the world. Our final stop today is the zucchini fields, where the harvesting process is carried out in a more traditional manual way. Zucchini is a popular summer squash valued for its mild flavor and soft texture. Unlike larger squashes with tougher skins, zucchini is typically harvested while still young and ensuring it remains tender and delicious. Zucchini harvesting is mostly done by hand. Farmers closely monitor the crops, waiting for the ideal time to harvest, which is typically when the zucchini reaches a length of 15 to 20 cms. Timing is crucial, as zucchinis left on the plant too long can grow too large, becoming tough and less flavorful. Farmers use sharp knives to cut the zucchini from the plant and place them into bins. After the harvest, zucchini is thoroughly sorted and carefully packed for transportation to domestic markets or international export. Mexico is one of the largest zucchini exporters globally, with much of its produce shipped to the United States. The popularity of zucchini comes from its many nutritional and health benefits. Zucchini is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, low in calories, and is an ideal choice for dieters or those looking to maintain a healthy weight. So we've explored how some essential crops are harvested. We hope you enjoyed this video and gained a better understanding of the work behind producing these vital crops. If you found today's farming documentary interesting, please leave a comment below. We look forward to your thoughts, questions, or sharing on this topic. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to avoid missing out on more exciting content from Sprout Garden. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next episode. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore hemp, a highly valuable crop in agriculture. Hemp is not only known for its benefits in fiber production, but also plays a crucial role in various other industries, such as pharmaceuticals and eco-friendly products. Join us as we follow the journey from the very first steps of planting seeds to the harvesting and processing of hemp into useful products. Stay tuned and let's discover together what's coming up next. Hemp is renowned for being a sustainable and resilient crop, requiring little water and often thriving without pesticides. It grows quickly and can adapt to various climates. The first step in cultivating hemp is the careful selection of seeds. Farmers must choose the right type of hemp depending on whether they want to produce strong fibers for industrial use or cultivate specific strains for CBD oil extraction. After the seeds are planted, hemp usually takes around 4 months to fully mature. During this period, farmers carefully monitor the plants to ensure they receive adequate sunlight and water, while also working to minimize any environmental stress factors. Furthermore, hemp demands particular attention to the quality of the soil, as it thrives best in nutrient-rich, well-drained soil for optimal growth. As hemp grows tall, it forms dense foliage and thick stalks, eventually producing flowers rich in cannabinoids. These cannabinoids, particularly cannabidiol, have gained widespread attention for their potential health benefits. But before delving into the CBD oil production process, let's focus on the harvest of hemp for its strong and durable fibers. The hemp harvesting process begins with a machine cutting the entire plant at its base or at a certain height, depending on the plant's size and intended use. Hemp harvesters are equipped with cutting blades or high-speed rotary systems to ensure a fast and efficient cutting process. This helps optimize the harvesting time, especially when dealing with large areas. In this process, the leaves and tops of the hemp plant will be separated. The leaves and flowers, which often contain a high amount of nutrients and oils, will be collected and used for hemp oil production. Meanwhile, the stalks can be used for other purposes, such as fiber production. After harvesting, hemp stalks are soaked to break down the tough outer layer, a process that can be done by laying them in the field or soaking them in water. This allows natural bacteria and enzymes to separate the fibers from the woody core. After about 7 weeks, once the retting process is complete, the stalks are chopped up by harvesting machines. The hemp fibers are then transported to the factory for further processing. After being brought to the factory, hemp plants are processed either mechanically or manually to extract the fibers from the stalk. This process typically involves specialized pressing or scraping machines that efficiently and quickly separate the fibers, ensuring that hemp fibers retain their strength and high quality. Combing helps eliminate uneven strands and ensures that the fibers are smooth and untangled. Ready for the next step? The final product is thin, uniform fibers that are then spun into complete yarns. Depending on the intended use, hemp fibers can be woven into either coarse or fine threads, serving products ranging from rough textiles to high-end garments. With exceptional durability, natural antibacterial properties, and eco-friendliness, hemp stands out among other fibers. These benefits of durability and environmental friendliness have made hemp increasingly popular in various sectors of manufacturing. Additionally, hemp also holds value in the health sector. The leaves and most notably the flowers contain a high amount of CBD, a compound that is non-psychoactive but has gained popularity due to its therapeutic potential. CBD oil is extracted from hemp through a careful process that preserves its natural benefits. After being harvested, hemp is chopped into smaller pieces and dried to reduce moisture, optimizing the extraction process. Next, it undergoes the extraction process, which often involves methods such as supercritical CO2 extraction to separate CBD from the plant material. This extraction method is highly efficient and produces pure, high-quality CBD oil without leaving harmful residues. The extracted oil then goes through filtering and refining processes to remove any remaining impurities, resulting in a clean, concentrated CBD oil ready for use. The CBD oil is then packaged in dark-colored glass or plastic bottles to preserve its quality by protecting it from light and air exposure before being distributed to the market. CBD oil has gained popularity for its versatile applications across various sectors, including healthcare, skincare, and even pet care. This oil is highly regarded for its natural properties, particularly its ability to reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and promote a sense of calm and relaxation. Unlike THC, the compound in cannabis known for its psychoactive effects, CBD does not produce any mind-altering sensations, making it a safer option for those looking to improve their well-being without experiencing a high. Thanks to these benefits, CBD oil has become an essential product in the natural health care industry, with a growing number of individuals turning to it to help manage various conditions. People commonly use CBD oil to address issues such as anxiety, insomnia, and chronic pain, finding it to be a gentle yet effective alternative to conventional medications. Before we wrap up, we would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below sharing your views on hemp cultivation and the products you're most interested in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more fascinating documentaries about agriculture and farming. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome to today's farming documentary, where we will explore the process of growing, harvesting, and processing sugarcane. Sugarcane, one of the most important crops in the world, plays a crucial role in the global economy, especially in tropical regions. Today, we will explore the entire process, from planting young seedlings to processing sugarcane into the sugar products we use every day. Our journey begins with the careful selection of high-yield sugarcane varieties. These varieties are vital to ensuring a bountiful harvest. The selected sugarcane varieties are bred through selective breeding, not genetic modification, meaning they are entirely natural and sustainable. Once the best seedlings are chosen, the sugarcane planting process begins. Sugarcane is typically planted using mature segments of cane, known as sets. These sets are placed in furrows in the soil, where they will sprout and grow into new plants. This is the first stage of the sugarcane planting process, and from here, the sugarcane begins its growth journey. Sugarcane thrives best in tropical climates, and with proper care, these young plants will grow into tall, healthy sugarcane stalks. An important aspect of sugarcane farming is protecting the crops from pests and diseases. Regular pest control spraying is essential to ensure the sugarcane develops without interference. During the growth period, which can last up to 10 months, the sugarcane plants grow vigorously under the sunlight, forming dense fields. When the sugarcane reaches full maturity, the harvesting process is initiated. However, prior to the harvest, the sugarcane fields undergo a controlled burning process. The purpose of this controlled burning is to remove dry leaves and also to eradicate any potential pests, ensuring the conditions are ideal for a smoother harvesting process. This is a widely used technique in the sugarcane farming industry, and it is conducted with care to ensure that it does not negatively impact the surrounding environment. Once the field is fully prepared, the sugarcane harvesting process begins with the assistance of modern mechanical equipment. These machines are equipped with advanced technology capable of performing multiple tasks simultaneously in a synchronized manner. The clean sugarcane stalks are neatly gathered into bundles, then immediately transferred to conveyor belts or transport vehicles ready for the next stage of processing. After the harvest, the sugarcane is loaded onto trucks and transported to the processing factory. The journey from the fields to the factory is the next step in transforming raw sugarcane into the sugar products we use every day. At the factory, the sugarcane is thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt and any remaining leaves. The cane stalks are then fed into crushing machines to extract the juice. This sugarcane juice is the basic raw material used to produce all sugar products. The leftover fiber, called bagasse, is not wasted. It is often used as biofuel in the factory, providing energy to run the equipment, making the sugar production process more efficient and environmentally friendly. After extraction, the sugarcane juice undergoes a filtration process to remove impurities, and then it is boiled to evaporate the excess water. The result is a thick syrup, which is further processed to crystallize into sugar. Two main types of sugar are produced at this stage: brown sugar and refined sugar. Brown sugar is less processed and retains some molasses, giving it its distinctive flavor and color. In contrast, refined sugar goes through additional processing steps to completely remove the molasses, producing the pure white sugar we commonly use. The sugar refining process begins by receiving raw sugar from the sugar mills. The raw sugar is brought into the refinery at a capacity of 55 to 60 tons per hour. Here, the raw sugar is mixed with a thick hot syrup called raw wash, which helps soften the sugar crystals and prepares them for the next refining stage. This mixture is then fed into a high-speed centrifugal machine while being sprayed with hot water to separate the sugar from the syrup, removing about 30% of the initial color. The refined raw sugar is dissolved in hot water at 80 dEC, forming a solution with a sugar content of about 65%. Next, the solution is clarified by adding lime and food-grade phosphoric acid, followed by the addition of air bubbles and coagulants to remove impurities. The clear solution is heated again, filtered through sand and gravel, and finally passed through activated carbon columns to further remove 85% of the color. The final stage is drying the sugar crystals and conditioning them for the packaging process. As of 2024, Brazil remains the largest sugarcane producer in the world, accounting for more than 40% of global production. Brazil's vast plantations, favorable climate, and efficient farming methods have made the country a powerhouse in the sugarcane industry. The global demand for sugar continues to rise, especially in developing countries, making sugarcane cultivation a vital agricultural industry, supporting millions of jobs and driving economic growth in many nations. Thank you for accompanying us on this fascinating tour of sugarcane farming. We hope that you have gained more knowledge and appreciation for the hard work involved in the cultivation and production of sugarcane, as well as a deeper understanding of the sugar refining process. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section and let us know what you think about the sugarcane farming process. We look forward to hearing from you. Welcome to this farming documentary, where we explore the process of growing, harvesting, and processing one of the most popular nuts in the world, the pecan. Pecan nuts are not only renowned for their delicious flavor, but also for their numerous nutritional benefits, making them an essential ingredient in many dishes and households around the globe. From carefully nurturing the trees to precise harvesting and processing methods, the journey of the pecan from farm to table is truly remarkable. Pecan trees are native to North America and thrive in regions with long, hot summers and cool winters. Growing these trees requires patience and attention to detail. Farmers often start by selecting high-quality seeds or seedlings, ensuring they have nutrient-rich soil and are well-watered. And after several months of sprouting, the young trees begin to grow leaves, at which point they are typically moved to larger pots or outdoor gardens to provide enough space for their root systems to develop robustly. After the pecan tree is planted, consistent care is required to ensure the tree grows with the best possible productivity. During the winter months, when the tree enters its dormant phase, it becomes the perfect time for pruning. By removing dry or diseased branches, the tree can focus its nutrients on the healthier parts while also improving air circulation and light penetration through the canopy. This process not only helps the tree grow more steadily, but also reduces the likelihood of pest attacks, ensuring healthier overall development. After the dormant phase, the pecan tree begins to regrow its leaves, marking a new stage of development. Pecan trees are known for their remarkable growth, capable of reaching heights of up to 30 meters with a wide canopy. This type of tree requires a significant amount of sunlight to thrive. To protect the trees, farmers typically implement preventive measures that combine natural and chemical methods, ensuring the trees remain healthy and free from pest damage. As spring arrives, pecan trees begin to bloom, with small female flowers combining with pollen-bearing male flowers to start the pollination process, gradually transforming into young pecans, marking the start of a new growth cycle. The pecan nut develops inside a green outer husk, and the ripening process occurs during the fall. One of the clearest signs that the nut is ready for harvest is when the outer husk begins to split open, revealing the shiny, hard brown shell inside. When harvest season arrives, farmers rely on a combination of modern technology and traditional methods. The harvest typically takes place in the fall from October to December, depending on the region. Harvesting pecans is a labor-intensive process, but modern technology has made this task much simpler. Once the pecans have fallen, they are gathered using sweepers and blowers, which collect them into large bins for sorting. Each mature pecan tree can yield between 40 and 60 kg of nuts per season. The U.S. alone accounts for over 50% of the total production, contributing significantly to the estimated 360 tons of pecans harvested worldwide last year. This is the largest pecan harvested of 119 tons of pecans harvested worldwide last year. After harvesting, the processing phase begins, with the first step being the removal of debris such as leaves, twigs, and dirt that may have been collected during harvesting. This is done using air blowers, conveyors, and other machinery to separate the nuts from unwanted materials. After the pecans have been thoroughly cleaned, they are ready for sorting. During this stage, farmers carefully select the largest and highest quality pecans to supply to the market. These pecans are then washed and fed into automatic shelling machines, specifically designed to remove the shells without damaging the kernels. Afterward, the pecans are carefully sorted before being packaged and labeled with precision. Finally, the delicious pecans are ready to be shipped worldwide, bringing their unique flavor to consumers across the globe. Pecans are a nutritious nut that can be transformed into various foods. The roasted nuts are then placed in a blender, gradually transforming into a buttery consistency under the power of the blades. A pinch of salt is added to balance the flavor, along with a small amount of vegetable oil to achieve the ideal smooth texture. Once ready, pecan butter can be stored in a sealed jar and used to spread on bread, as a salad dressing, or in desserts to enhance flavor complexity. Pecans are not only essential for making butter, but also an ideal ingredient for many delectable baked goods. With a rich, nutty flavor, pecans add a distinctive crunch to the topping, perfectly complementing the creamy, smooth cheese layer and the light, crispy crust. Overall, pecans are a highly nutritious nut known for their high content of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber that aid digestion and promote a longer feeling of fullness. They are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E, which help protect cells from aging. Pecans also supply essential minerals like manganese, copper, and magnesium, which are beneficial for bones, brain health, and immune function. And that's all for today's video. We hope that through this video you've gained a better understanding of the entire process of growing, harvesting, and processing pecans, from the initial stages of tree care to the final steps of creating the finished products. If you have any comments, questions, or personal experiences, we'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below to share your thoughts or let us know any valuable insights you might have. We truly appreciate and listen to all feedback from our audience.